My name is Abdul Rashid. I am in Nigeria. I am a Muslim, and my father is a Ahmadiyya movement in Nigeria. My question before you, My Excellency, is that I would like to know the difference between a Muslim and Ahmadiyya Muslim movement.
Your father is an Ahmadiyya Muslim?
Yes.
And still you don't know the difference?
Not really that I don't know. I'm not sure.
See, I can only tell the main features, differentiating features.
Okay.
All Muslims believe that a promised reformer would appear from God in the latter days. The title given to that reformer is Al-Imam al-Mahdi. Have you ever heard of it? Have you ever heard of this?
Yeah, I heard of it.
That Al-Imam al-Mahdi is expected to come in the latter days. He will be the Imam, the leader, who will be appointed by God himself. And it will be essential for all Muslims to follow him, because he will be the guided one. Have you ever heard of it?
Yes, I heard of that.
Okay, the Ahmadis believe he has come. And the founder of the Ahmadiyya community made just such a claim. He claimed that he has been appointed by God directly as that Imam which was promised to the Ummah by the founder of the Ummah, Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself. The rest of the Muslims who are not Ahmadis, they reject his claim and they say you are a false person, you are an impostor, and God never raised you as Imam Mahdi. This is the major dividing line. Now you can see the state of the rest of the Muslims in the world, how divided and scattered they are. There is no leadership, no central leadership to guide them to one single policy for Islam. Even in Gulf, the world of Islam was bifurcated into two groups. That is one picture. And the other is that of Jamaat Ahmadiyya. We have got established in 126 countries of the world. And yet all Ahmadis, wherever they belong, Nigeria or America or England or whatever countries they belong to one single leadership of Khilafat. What do you believe? Is this like Islam or that like Islam? Scattered multi-millions of Muslims without a head, without a policy, without knowing which way to go. So that shows that Imam Mahdi was right. He was appointed by God. It was a leadership created by God. Otherwise he himself should have got disintegrated. So Khilafat is a proof that Imam Mahdi was right. And that is why we invite the rest of the world to come and join us. Right?
Thank you. I think we better introduce some of the Muslims to Ahmadiyya.
Jazakumullah. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Assalamu alaikum.